Happy morning, children. Now we are going to see the topic of exercise 2.6. Okay, in that we are going to see radical notation convert to index notation. Okay, radical notation. What is the meaning of radical notation? Means if we are having the real numbers in the term of nth root of a the whole power n. Okay, this is the normal real term root operations. Okay, so equal to a we are saying, so this one we are telling as root of n. Outside the n is coming, no, this one we can take inner side, so root of n a power n, like that. Here they are having a normal radical notation. Suppose index notation means we are converting this to index notation. Index notation means we are taking this root power we are taking out and we are writing as a p by q method. Okay, this is a root of a. Root of a means root n of a, nth root of a. So we can write is a power 1 by n by 1 by n. Already it's having the whole power n. So we are putting one n here, equal to a equal to nth root of a power n. Again we can write a power n power of 1 by n. Just we are removing the root and we are writing as a powers. Okay, a power n the power of 1 by n. Next one, nth root of a into nth root of b equal to nth root of ab, they are telling. So we are writing a power 1 by n into b power 1 by n. Nth root means we can write as a b power 1 by n equal to a into b the whole power 1 by n. Y means a and b have the common power, so ab into the whole power 1 by n. Again m root of n root of a, again they are telling mth root of n root of a. So m is also in the power root, n is also in the root. Okay, commonly we can take as a root of m and a equal to, suppose we are interchanging also, root of n root of m a also equal the value. If you are interchanging the m and n value, square root value also, we will have the same answer. Here see a power 1 by n into 1 by m. Okay, so we can write as a power, in powers we can able to multiply, so a power of 1 by m into n. So a power 1 by, we are interchanging here, a power 1 by m and 1 by n we are interchanging here, that's all. Nth root of a by nth root of b equal to nth root of a root nth root of a by b, nth root of a nth root of b. See here n is common and root is common, so we are taking a by b in common itself. Okay, so root means already we know 1 by n we have to write, so a power 1 by n b power 1 by n equal to root of a by b we can write as a by b the whole power of 1 by n. Nth root this is, so just we are writing 1 by n. Radical notation அப்படிங்கிறது ரியல் நம்பர்ஸோட ரூட் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன். இண்டெக்ஸ் நோட்டேஷன் அப்படிங்கிறது ரியல் நம்பர்ஸோட நார்மல் நோட்டேஷன்ஸ். வி ஆர் ரிமூவிங் த ரூட்ஸ் அண்ட் வி ஆர் ரைட்டிங் இன் அ சிம்பிள் வே. ஓகே, in that what we are going to do means simplify the following sums using addition and subtraction properties. Okay, addition and subtraction properties means already we know about properties of surds. Already we know in real numbers we know some rules of plus and minus and all. So as per that regarding we have to solve that. Now see, the sum is 5 root 3 plus 18 root 3 minus 2 root 3.